Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video, and if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video one. So now we can enter the settings, which as you can see are in the right upper corner, so let's enter. And here in the special settings, which are connected directly to the video, we've got the video resolution at the very top, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got actually plenty of options to choose from. So we've got the Ultra HD 8K, which is recommended for outdoor use. We've got the Ultra HD 4K, Ultra HD 4K also, but with 60 frames per second. So probably here we've got with 30 frames per second. We've got the Full HD with 1080p option and 60 frames per second, and also with 30 frames per second. And also we've got the HD with 720p. So it's of course up to you which option like to use. As you can see, currently I've got the Full HD option applied with 30 frames per second. So in order to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick, for example, the Ultra HD 4K. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, we do not have to enter the video resolution again to check, because it is notified right here, which means that this option has been applied and your device will use it whilst recording a video. So basically this is how to change the video resolution in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.